Hello, this is a very quick video. I'm just giving my Harley-Davidson a service here, and when I ordered the parts for servicing it, the oil and the filters, etc., I thought I would treat it to some of these, some Iridium Sparkplugs. These are Drag Specialities Iridium Sparkplugs. They're still in the packet. I'll just see if I can open them up, because they certainly look very snazzy. If I can get them out. They're very well wrapped. Oh, yeah, that's them. Look at that. Black and gold. Just to zoom in on that, see if you can focus on that. And I know looks mean nothing, but they do look snazzy. So yeah, I'm going to give them a go and see if I notice any difference. If anybody watching uses these, I will be interested in your feedback on them. Tell me, did you think they're good? Do you think they make a difference? I'm going to give them a go, run them this time. I'll let you know how I get on later with them.